Hello guys, how to download Ringtone from iPhone Tone Store. You can easily download various type of ringtones from. To do so, tap on settings of your iPhone, scroll down and tap on sounds and haptics. Here scroll down and tap on ringtones. Here also you will find a various type of ringtones from where you can change your ringtone from here. And if you want to additional more ringtone from Tone Store, then tap on Tone Store and Tone Store will open. Here you will find various categories ringtone available, feature tones, and you will find also charts of tones. Tap on charts and a list of ringtone available here along with price. Choose as per your choice. And if you want to download from Tone Store your new ringtone, then simply tap on it and finally tap on your desired ringtone. It will download it and complete the payment process. That's all.